Calcined kaolin is a specially processed form of kaolin clay that has undergone high-temperature treatment to enhance its properties for industrial applications. This calcination process removes bound water, modifies the crystal structure, and improves key characteristics such as brightness, opacity, and thermal stability. As a result, calcined kaolin is widely used in industries that demand superior performance, including paints, coatings, ceramics, plastics, and rubber. In coatings and paints, it serves as an effective extender, improving hiding power, gloss control, and scrub resistance while reducing the need for expensive titanium dioxide. In rubber and plastics, it acts as a functional filler, enhancing reinforcement, tensile strength, and processing efficiency. Its low moisture content and excellent dispersibility make it ideal for formulations requiring consistency and high-quality performance. Additionally, calcined kaolin's high brightness and fine particle size contribute to its role in high-end paper manufacturing, where it enhances printability, opacity, and smoothness. Beyond its use in traditional industries, calcined kaolin plays a crucial role in advanced applications such as catalyst supports, refractory materials, and insulation products. In the ceramics industry, it improves mechanical strength, reduces shrinkage, and enhances thermal shock resistance, making it essential for high-performance porcelain, tiles, and sanitary ware. In engineered polymers and composites, its unique structure provides thermal stability and flame retardancy, making it valuable in automotive, construction, and electronic components. The combination of its chemical inertness, excellent electrical properties, and controlled particle morphology makes calcined kaolin a key ingredient in wire and cable insulation, fiberglass production, and specialty adhesives. As industries continue to demand higher performance and sustainability in their materials, calcined kaolin remains a vital and versatile solution, offering both technical advantages and cost-effectiveness across a wide range of applications.